What if I told you your phone could actually make you money every single day? I'm not talking about some fake app or scam. I mean real work with real tools. And today, I'll show you exactly how I turn my phone into a business machine. Let's go. Welcome to Smart Tech GH. I'm Francis, and this is where tech meets hustle. On this channel, we talk about real tools, apps, and strategies to help you make money online from Ghana, Nigeria, or anywhere in Africa. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're serious about turning your phone into a tool for success. Section 1. Content Creation Apps. First up, content creation. If you're good at writing, check out Opera News Hub. I've made money just by posting trending articles from my phone. It's that easy. I use Google Docs and Jotterpad to write my drafts, even while I'm on a bus or waiting in line. No laptop needed. Now, if you're into videos like this one, my secret weapons are CapCut, InShot, and Canva. CapCut helps me edit YouTube shorts and reels directly on my phone. InShot is perfect for TikToks and stories. And Canva, that's my go-to for thumbnails and Instagram posts. These apps are completely free and powerful. Let's talk money. I use apps like MTN Mobile Money, PalmPay, and Chipper Cash to send and receive payments. If you're doing business online, having these payment platforms is a must. Want more side hustle options? I use Taki app to post and earn crypto. Pico Workers pays you for small tasks, like clicking, reviewing, and testing apps. And on Fiverr, you can offer services like writing, editing, or design, all managed from your phone. Here's how I hustle daily. I wake up, check my Opera News stats, plan my content in Google Docs, edit with CapCut, design in Canva, and upload to YouTube or Instagram. Then I track everything using Trello. And yes, I do all this from my phone. That's how I turn my phone into a business machine. You don't need a laptop to start. You just need the right apps, a little effort, and the mindset to hustle. Comment below if you want a full tutorial on any of the apps I mentioned. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. More videos are coming soon. Stay smart, stay hustling, and stay subscribed to Smart Tech GH.